triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of a triangle whose vertices are 0, minus 1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. Find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. First of all, draw a triangle. First, draw a triangle. This is a triangle that A, B, whose vertices are A, B, C. Vertices are 0, minus 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 0, 3, 0, 3. Now, midpoints of the sides, suppose let AB midpoint is D, AC midpoint is E, BC midpoint is F. Okay, these three are the midpoints of the sides of the given triangle. Now join these midpoints. Okay. Now formed a triangle named triangle DEF. He asked the question, find the ratio of this area. This area means area of DEF to the area of the given triangle. Given triangle is ABC. Ratio of this area means area of triangle DEF to area of triangle ABC. This is the question. First of all, we find midpoints of the sides. Next, find the area of DEF and area of ABC. Then we get ratio of areas of triangles. Okay. Now find midpoints. We know the formula. If A x1, y1 and B x2, y2, then midpoint of AB is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the formula. Now find midpoint of AB. Write AB here. A 0, minus 1. B 2, 1. B is 2, 1. Write x1, y1, x2, y2. Now substitute these values in this formula we get midpoint of AB is D. So midpoint of AB. So midpoint of AB is equal to D is equal to x1 is 0 plus x2 is 2 by 2 comma y1 minus 1 plus y2 plus 1 by 2. Okay, minus 1 plus 1. So 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 by 2. While plus 1 minus 1, 0 by 2. So this goes into 1 times 0. 1 comma 0. 1 comma 0. 1 comma 0 is the vertices of D. 1 comma 0. 1 comma 0. Okay. Now find midpoint of BC. Midpoint of BC. B. B is 2 comma 1. C 0 comma 0 comma 3. 0 comma 3. Right? x1 y1 x2 y2 x2 y2. Now midpoint of BC. Midpoint of BC. BC midpoint is F. So right here. Now these values substitute in this formula. 2 x1 is 2, x2 is 0. So 2 plus 0 by 2. Now y1 plus y2. y1 is 1. y2 is 3. 1 plus 3 by 2. Now 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 by 2. 1 plus 3 by 2. 1 plus 3 means 4 by 2. 1 time, 2 times. So we get 1 comma 2 is the midpoint of BC. F is 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2. Now find the midpoint of AC. Midpoint of AC is E. Midpoint of AC is E. So, AC. A is 0 comma minus 1. C is 0 comma 3. 0 comma 3. Right. x1 y1 x2 y2 x2 y2. Now find the midpoint of AC. Midpoint of AC. Of AC is E. Is equal to, substitute these values in this formula. 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 by 2 comma minus 1 plus 3 by 2. So 0 plus 0 0. 0 by 2 is 0. Plus 1 plus 3 minus 1. So 2 by 2 is 1. So 0 comma 1. 0 comma 1. 0 comma 1 is the midpoint of AC. E. Okay. Now find the area of triangle DEF. We know the formula. If A x1 comma y1, B x2 comma y2, C x3 comma y3, then area of triangle ABC, then area of triangle ABC is equal to half mod x into y minus y plus x into y minus y plus x into y minus y. Now rotation, right rotation. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 1. 3, 1, 2. Okay? 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 1. 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 1. 1, 3, 2. Just 1, 2, 3. Just replace 1 replaced by 2, 2 replaced by 3, 3 replaced by 1. Okay? Now find the area of triangle. Area of triangle DEF. D 0, 1, comma 0. E 0, comma 1. F 1, comma 2. Okay? Area of DEF. Area of DEF is equal to half mod. Right here, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. x3, y3. Half mod. x1 is 1. Now y2 is 1 minus y3 2, right, plus x2 0, y3 or 2, y1 0, x3 is 1, y1 0, y2 1. Okay? x1 1 0 1. Okay. y2 is 1. Okay. y3 is 2. Okay. y3 is 2. Okay. y1 is 0. Okay. Next, y1 is 0. Okay. Next, y2 is 1. Okay. Now simplify. 1 minus 2 is minus 1 plus 0 into 2 minus 0 is 2 plus 1 into minus 1. Plus into minus, minus 1. 1 into 1, 1. 0 into 2, 0. Plus into minus, minus. 1 into 1, 1. These two are minus 2. So add minus 2 minus 2. So 1 by 2 into 2 one time. So 1 square units. 1 square units. This is the area of DEF. Area of DEF. Now find the area of ABC. Find the area of ABC. A is 0 comma minus 1. B 2 comma 1. C 0 comma 3. 0 comma 3. Now write x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. Now find the area of ABC. Area of ABC. Area of ABC is equal to half mod. These values are substituted in this formula. X1 is 0 into y2. Y2 is 1. 1 minus y3. 3. Plus x2 2 y3 3 minus y1 minus 1 minus of minus plus x3 is 0 into y1 minus 1 minus y2 is 1 x1 0 x2 2 x3 0. Okay, now y2 minus y3 y2 1 y3 3. Okay, next y3 3 y1 minus of minus, right? Next y1 minus 1, right? y2 plus 1, right? Now simplify. Minus 2 0 into minus 2 minus into minus plus 1 plus 2 into plus 1 means 3 plus 1 4 3 plus 1 4 plus 0 into minus 2 half mod 0 into something 0 2 4s are 8 0 into something 0. So half mod 8. So half into 8 4 times. So 4 square units is the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. Now he asked, find a ratio of this area. This area means area of triangle. The ratio of triangle DEF and triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle DEF is 1, right? 1 is 2. Area of triangle ABC is 4. Yes, 1 is to 4. DEF and ABC is 1 is to 4. Answer is 1 is to 4. Okay. Given, find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are 0, minus 1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. Find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. First of all, we draw a triangle ABC, triangle ABC, triangle ABC. Next, let the midpoints are DEF on on sides of triangle ABC. Sides of triangle ABC. Let midpoints of triangle ABC are D, E and F on AB, AC and BC. Okay. Midpoints. We know the formula of finding the midpoints. If A x1, y1, b x2, y2, then midpoint of AB is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y1 by, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the formula to find midpoint of any given 2 points. Similarly, we find midpoints of AB, BC and AC. Okay, these are midpoints of sides. Midpoints of sides of given triangle. Now find the area formed by the points of midpoints. Midpoints are these three. Now write x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. These values are substituted in this formula. Do simplification. We get answer. Area of DEF is 1 square units. Now write vertices of given triangle ABC. These values are substituted in this formula. Do simplification. We get the area of the given triangle is 4 square units. Okay. Now find the ratio. He asked ratio of this area. This area means area of triangle DEF. Next to the area of the given triangle. Given triangle is ABC. So the ratio of DEF and ABC, ratio of triangle DEF and triangle ABC is 1:4. Okay.